In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Basecamp, a skill that's incredibly useful for creating backups or migrating your projects to another platform. It's a straightforward process, but it does require a few specific steps that I'll walk you through right now. First, you'll want to head over to your Basecamp dashboard. From here, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see your avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu, and from there, you'll need to select the option labeled Admin Land. Admin Land is essentially the control center of your Basecamp account, where you can manage various administrative tasks, including exporting your data. Once inside Admin Land, scroll down until you find the section that says Export Data from this account. This section is specifically designed to help you download your projects. Here, you're given the flexibility to choose exactly which projects you want to export. Whether they're active projects that you're currently working on or archived ones that you've completed and filed away, you can select multiple projects that cater to your needs. Once you've made your selections, click the button that says Export My Data. At this point, Basecamp goes to work. It starts preparing your export, a process that may take some time depending on the size and number of projects you're exporting. It's important to remain patient here, as gathering all the data into a comprehensive file is quite a task. Don't worry though, you'll receive an email notification as soon as everything is ready. This email will contain a link to download your exported data. When everything is set, you'll find that the download is a zip file. This file is well organized and contains everything you might need. Inside, you'll discover a browsable HTML version of each project, which makes it easy to navigate the contents. It's essentially a mini website for each project, preserving the structure and format you're familiar with. Additionally, each project folder includes all uploaded files in their original formats, ensuring that nothing gets lost in translation. After you've downloaded the zip file, you can explore your projects locally on your computer. This way, you have offline access to your data, and it's all neatly organized for you. The HTML versions provide easy access to all your tasks, discussions, and files, while the included original attachments ensure that anything you might want to reference or reuse will look just like you left it. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to export your data from Basecamp. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project information is safely backed up and accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Basecamp data exports more effectively.